What?
What? What? What were you doing?
I hope my girl buddy is solid. Isn't that a redeeming quality? Helping friends with stuff?
Not with turf wars that result in territorial genocide.
You win some, you lose a few hundred. It wasn't that bad anyway. Oh, come on, I had to. My credibility was on the line. I mean, what kind of reputation would I have if people find out I was trying to go clean? It just throws out my entire persona.
Your credibility? What about the hotels? Your little stunt made us look like a fucking joke.
No, babe. Jokes are funny. I made you look, sad and pathetic. Like an orphan with no arms or legs. Oh, with progeria! Great! Now I'm bummed thinking about it. Does this thing have any liquor?
Can you please just try to take this seriously?
Fine, I'll try. Just don't get your taco in a twist, baby.
Was it you trying to be sexist or racist?
Whoever pisses you off more. Is there seriously no liquor in here?
I'm gonna kill her.
Hilly toots. Wait, would that make me double dead? And where exactly do I go? To double hell? Sorry, you're stuck with me, bitch. Get used to it. Listen, who cares if some jackoffs got hurt? Most of them are ugly freaks. Look around. You got a bunch of fucking Harklin babies down here.
You're on top.
Hey, this body is flawless. Everyone wants some of me. I even got the creepy fan list to prove it.
That was really uncool.
Uncool? After that train wreck, there is no way anyone is gonna want to stay at the hotel. All thanks to you and your selfish bullshit!
Does this mean I don't have a free room anymore? Oh, well, shucks.
Hey, come on. We don't know everything together yet. Try to relax, baby. It'll be okay.